Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to see your Google Calendar right inside ClickUp? In this video, I'll show you how to embed it as a widget for the ultimate personal productivity dashboard. First, open the ClickUp view where you want the calendar, like your home dashboard or a personal space. Click Add Widget in the top right of your dashboard. A menu will pop up. Look for the Embed widget and click to add it. Now, you need your Google Calendar embed link. Open Google Calendar in your browser. Go to Settings for the specific calendar you want to show. Find the Integrate Calendar section and copy the public URL to this calendar. Go back to ClickUp and paste that URL into the Embed Widgets configuration box. Resize the widget to fit your screen. Now, you'll see your Google Calendar events side by side with your ClickUp tasks, so you can manage your time and tasks in one place. And that's it. You've just created a free custom productivity hub by combining your schedule with your to-do list. If you embed your calendar, let me know if it helps you plan better in the comments. See you in the next one.